So next we're going to start with the microcontroller, and the very first pin is VM. VM is this red wire, and it is going to go to VN on the microcontroller, which is right here. You're looking for VIN. That means the input voltage will eventually be coming from your battery pack. Okay, that's VM. Next is VCC. VCC is 5 volts. So that's now going to go from the second pin. And now you're going to drop that down to the line where you put that orange wire, because everything on that row is 5 volts. Okay, VM goes to VN, VCC goes to 5 volts, and then next will be the ground. So the third row is ground, so you go from here, and now you drop that down to that second row for your ground. And anywhere along that row works. So you have problems putting in, so there you go. VN, VCC, and ground.